So if you've been following my channel for a while, you've probably noticed that I talk about AI quite a bit. I've shown you how I use it to build out products. I've shown you how I use it to build out sales pages. I've shown you how I built an entire affiliate platform for my affiliates, which is the screen that I am on right now. And I've shown you, some of the prompts that I'm using to do some of these tasks. But then I realized from some of the comments I get and some of the DMs that I'm getting on Facebook and Instagram is that I think most people believe like I'm just using AI to like write my content or write out these scripts. And honestly, that's probably like content is about 5% of what I actually use AI for. So today I want to pull back the curtain and show you guys like how AI has slowly become my business partner. It's not replacing me, but because it's helping me execute the ideas that I have that normally would take months to execute or maybe not even be possible because of the costs to have something like that done. But how basically it's working in alignment with me to really take my ideas and bring them to life. So when I first started using AI, I actually pushed back a lot. Like I was not excited about it. I was like, "Oh, AI can never do what I can do," and that that has become. I look back at that and think, "Wow, I wish I had actually started sooner." But we're still so early in it that even if you haven't gotten started with AI, you still can. Because when I first started, honestly, I wasn't thinking this big with it. I was thinking, oh, content and images and things like that, big deal. But it is so much more than that. So I think like most people, I opened up Chat GPT and then I started asking it a few questions and then I'd have it write something and then rewrite something and then maybe brainstorm ideas, help me write an email here and there, pretty basic stuff. And for a while, that's all I thought AI really was, a writing assistant. But then something happened. Instead of asking AI to do tasks, I started asking it how to solve problems. And that's kind of where it clicked for me. It completely changed how I looked at it. So now, yes, AI absolutely helps me write content and come up with images and things like that. In fact, these YouTube scripts are a great example. I use this AI YouTube script engine every day to write out my scripts. It helps keep me on pace. It helps with my outline and it keeps me on target throughout the videos. Because before when I was doing content, I was just all over the place. I would just say stuff that would come to me and then I'd be off on one tangent and go to another and it would never be organized. This helps me understand the flow. It makes me stay organized and then we just work together and we build out the next script. So like I take scripts, I feed it to the chat, I have my 2-page prompt that I use every time, and then I feed it the information, and then we come out with a game plan to write the next script. But the important part to know is that this does not replace my experience. I'm still deciding what it says. I'm still editing. I'm still telling my own stories. AI simply helps me organize my thoughts a whole lot faster. So the next thing AI completely changed was product creation. So I showed you guys that I'm on my products page right now of the affiliate dashboard, the software that I developed for my affiliates. And I've started developing products behind that. Things like the YouTube script or the business prompts. These are revenue business prompts, these 100 business revenue prompts. These are things I was asking AI to kind of give me the big picture of how we're going to create revenue inside the businesses that I run. A few years ago, creating products like this would have taken weeks to do. Today, I can focus on an idea. AI helps me organize that. I can expand on it and improve on it, and then package it into something that people actually could use. The knowledge is still mine, but AI simply helps me turn that knowledge into a finished product much faster. So then now I had a product, but now I need a sales page. So then comes the sales pages. So here's a couple of them. I'm going to show so you see the 100 business revenue prompts and the AI YouTube script engine on my screen. These are the sales pages that the AI helped me create. This is the script one. This is the 100 prompts. And what I did was I fed the products to Claude, the information about it. I said, Claude, this is the finished product. I gave a framework of prompts that I wanted to use. I answered a few questions like, who's it for? What problem does it solve? What are the customers getting? And then when Claude could analyze the finished product, it builds my first draft of these sales pages. And, I can still change the headlines or test headlines, rewrite sections. I can adjust, so that it sounds like me. But these sales pages match up exactly with what the user's going to get in the product. And I don't have to start at zero. I have the framework built out to feed Claude and then get the output I'm looking for. 80% of the work gets done on an instant prompt. And that changes the game. It's crazy. This is where things, get kind of fun. A few weeks ago, I showed hints of the affiliate dashboard that I was building, which that's what's over here. You can see the screen is right here. This is the main dashboard that I am building out and testing, making sure it's functional. I have products, things like that. I have a training center that I'm building out. This is from the members' point of view. This is my members account. But it basically, you can come in here and it shows the different things. We have campaigns and traffic and all the cool stuff. But you have to remember, I'm not a programmer. Yes, I do have an IT degree, but I couldn't sit down and code anything for the life of me. Could I analyze maybe some HTML or PHP? Sure. But coming up with a database schema and building this from scratch, this was not my wheelhouse, and it's not something I ever want to have to learn. But what I did was, when I sat down with Claude, it was able to build out every feature I wanted. I would describe it. I would feed it screenshots. We would test it. If something broke, then I would feed it a screenshot and say, why am I getting this error? And it would fix it. It is insane. Claude Code is next level. And very few people right now are even using Claude Code or even realize the scale of what it can do. So, before I had a platform running, but it was a paid software, and I was limited to the features the software offered. I didn't own the software, so I couldn't just say, hey, I want this feature, and they would program it for me. That wasn't the way it worked. But I suddenly have now become the developer, and when I say, oh, I want this feature, I talk to Claude. And then Claude explains how we can build that out, and then I instruct it to execute it. So suddenly I now have the capability to do things that would have cost me thousands and thousands of dollars to pay somebody else to do who had that skill set. So AI removes the biggest barriers people have between their idea and actually building it. So there really is no excuse anymore for building an online business or building whatever type of business it is you are looking to do. I don't think people realize, but I probably spend more time asking AI questions than asking it for answers. I don't know if that even makes sense, but I just keep feeding it with different problems so that I can, I'll take screenshots of most of my communication is me taking a screenshot so that I don't have to type stuff out, and I upload it and I say hey, why is this happening? Or what is the thought process behind this post that I just saw online? Or here's a website, by the screenshot, can you tell me how it's working on the back end? What goes into this? So I'm just constantly trying to learn how things work online so that I can apply that to what I'm doing in my own business. And what's cool is every time, Claude will go through and tell you why it's thinking what it's thinking, sharing, well, this is probably doing this, and then you should go look for this. And it tells me how to go look for things to get the answer. And honestly, I think that's one of the best ways to learn new things. So I'm not a coder, but like I feel like I know so much more about the coding world than anything I ever learned when I was actually getting a degree in IT. So, probably the biggest change that AI has made for me, it's not the writing or the coding. It isn't the products. It's like the confidence in knowing that if I have an idea or I want to do something, there's a possibility to being able to execute that. I used to have a whole notebook of like where I would just jot down ideas. And, for years I just was jotting them down because I was like, okay, this will be way too much to pay somebody to help me do this. I've got to make the X amount of money in order to be able to add this to what I want to do. Because I didn't personally have the skill to do a lot of these things. But today I have an idea. I don't think, oh, I can't do that. I think, ooh, I wonder how fast I can do that. I wonder if AI will just help me build it. That's a completely different mindset than where I was even a year ago. So, if there's one thing I hope you're taking away from this video, is this. Stop thinking of AI as something that just writes your social media posts or it just creates your images for you. Start thinking of it as an actual business partner. One that never gets tired, never gets frustrated, never tells you your ideas are impossible. It doesn't replace your experience because that is always going to be the human check behind everything AI does. You're still the business owner. You're still the one that will make decisions. You're still responsible for the outcome, but AI can remove so many of the barriers that used to stop small businesses and small business owners from even getting started. So over the next few videos, I'm going to start showing you some of the actual workflows that I'm using every single day. Not just the prompts, the complete system. How I build a new product, how I build sales pages, how I use Claude Code to then put it on this awesome platform that I'm building. And then how I organize all these projects. And then how all of, these individual pieces come together into one business. If you've been paying attention to my channel, for the last several weeks, you have literally been able to see piece by piece how I'm actually building out an online business. You'll see videos where they'll be like, how to make $500, and they'll show you a specific skill. But literally, if you look at the weeks of content I've been putting out, you've been seeing pieces of everything that I am putting together. This is me documenting the process of building a real business with AI. So if that's something you're interested in following, hit the subscribe, hit the like, hype the button if they give you that ability. So I guess the hype really helps and I'd appreciate it. And then I will see you guys on the next video.